Hello, everyone. Today, I will introduce several types to you. Common mangan oil. They play a crucial role in pipeline connections. First of all, it's the oil filling agent ramping. Who went to Taiwan to replace the oil filling agent ran? It is made of malleable cast iron, surface treated with galvanizing, strong rust prevention ability. These two specifications are both 330. During installation, coordination between fixed connectors and flexible female connectors connects both ends to the pipe thread. Seal with PVC gasket in the middle. Easy and convenient operation. Next is the conical oil. Its uniqueness lies in the conical design at this end. This design enhances its sealing effect, can withstand greater pressure. During installation, tighten tightly with tapered threads. Therefore, cone-shaped oil is commonly used in industrial pipelines, gas pipelines, etc., in situations where high sealing and pressure requirements are needed. Finally, there is the cone-shaped copper seed oil. The uniqueness lies in this copper sleeve, made of high-quality copper alloy. Copper sleeves can improve wear resistance and sealing performance. Significant advantages in pipelines that often require disassembly. The above are several common types of mangan oil. They each play an important role, suitable for different scenarios. Hope that today's introduction can help everyone better understand and choose mangan oil brand. Follow up, you on mangan. Take you to learn more about mangan.